If you want to create your own fantasy world filled with your own character creations, try the How to Draw Fantasy Characters Guide. This guide will help you learn how to create unique characters of all kinds, while also teaching you the basics of human anatomy. You'll also get tips of how to get inspired and how to create characters of all shapes and sizes. This guide is for artists of all skill levels and for those who don't quite consider themselves artists yet. The guide includes detailed instructions for how to create your characters from start to finish, including written instructions as well as detailed illustrations. Some of the chapters in this guide are choosing and drawing dynamic poses, exploring different types of fantasy characters, warriors, soldiers, and other armored characters, mages, spirits, and other magical beings, and others. The guide will start with the basic building blocks of drawing, building up the basic forms in pencil sketches, and help you work your way up to building fully colored character designs unique to you. If you're ready to create your own magical world, then the How to Draw Fantasy Characters Guide is for you.